Hi, this is Mike, and I'm here with SpongeBob, and we're going to eat some Thai chilies, chili hot peppers, also called bird's eye peppers. And I've got a big container full of these. This is one of those green, stay fresh containers. These are really good for keeping peppers, longer than what you normally would. So I use these, and I bought a whole bunch of these Thai chili peppers and put them in this container. I've had them for a while. I'm going to eat a bunch of these. Probably eat a dozen of these. I don't have anything to drink. I don't plan on drinking anything. So I do want to say that these come in different colors. As you can see, there's kind of orange ones and yellow ones. One that are kind of got different colors. Some green. Then there's the real fresh looking green ones. I haven't noticed any difference in heat in these peppers. So I'm gonna eat a dozen. Okay, start with this big one. SpongeBob can't eat these, but he's along for the ride. This is 5. By the way, these are up to 100,000 Scoville units each. Six, 7. It's a nice orange one. See that? 8. Oh. Oh. 9. Oh. 10. 11. Oh. A lot of chewing. 12. Oh. 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 Still chewing. A lot of chewing. Oh. Oh my gosh, my throat. Oh my gosh. Oh, my throat. Oh. Oh, gosh. Holy. Oh. It's like a blowtorch to the back of my throat. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, okay. That's it. They're good peppers. I got these from Whole Foods. They come in bins like green beans. And they're pretty cheap too. So that's good. See ya.